Okay. Here, a conversation. First one is namaskara, means good morning or good evening, anything it will be take. Then another person will also respond, same, namaskara. Nanu Raju. I am Raju. Okay. Ivaru Mohan. He is Mohan. Okay. Nanu I am. Ivaru he. Neevu yaru. Neevu yaru means who are you? Okay. Neevu yaru. The next person will answer Nanu Shekhar. Nanu Shekhar. I am Shekhar. Avaru yaru. Who is she? Avaru Sheila. Okay. She is Sheila. Ivaru Shankar. Okay. Ivaru Shankar. Ivaru yaru, avaru yaru, that small conversation we can see here. Okay. The next conversation begin here. Nanna hesaru Raju. Okay. My name is Raju. Nanu Kannada Mestru. Okay. Mestru. Mestru means master. That English word here, no, is pronounced like a Mestru. Okay. Nanu Kannada Mestru. I am a Kannada teacher. Ivaru ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. He is my friend. Okay. ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಇವರ ಹೆಸರು ಮೋಹನ್. His name is Mohan. ನೀವು ಯಾರು? Okay. ನೀವು ಯಾರು means who are you? Then again, the next one is ನಾನು doctor. Okay. ನಾನು doctor. I am a doctor. Or else, if you want to say in Kannada only, Nanu Vaidya. Okay, that word also we can use. Nanu Vaidya. Next is Nimma Hesaru Yenu. What is your name? Okay, Nimma Hesaru Yenu. Nanna Hesaru Shekhar. My name is Shekhar. Avara Hesaru Lalitana. Okay, he's asking question. Is her name Lalita? ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಲಲಿತಾನಾ? ಹೌದು. ಎಸ್. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಲಲಿತಾ. ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಲಿತಾ. ಅವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಾ? ಇಸ್ ಶಿ ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನರ್ಸ್. ನೋ, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. So in this conversation, we can see that they're introducing their self and they're asking about others also and their profession also we can see here. The next conversation, Ninna Hesaru Yenu Magu. Magu means child. Okay. Ninna Hesaru Yenu. What is your name? Child. Nanna Hesaru Kiran. Okay. My name is Kiran. ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನಾ? ಇಸ್ ಹಿ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನಾ? ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹೌದು, ಎಸ್. ಅವರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ ನನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ. ದೇ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್. ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಸರೋಜಾನಾ? ಇಸ್ ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸರೋಜಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೋ. ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಸರೋಜಾ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರೋಜಾ. ಅವಳು ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಶಿ? ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಯಂಗರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜು. ಓಕೆ. So in this conversation, we can see these many words. Okay. Just I'll read it out once. Or else anyone can read this one. Can is this visible to you? This what I have shared, that book, can it visible? Can anyone read this one? Okay, I only read here. Nanu, I. Nanu means I. Navu, we. Nanna, my. Namma, our. Neenu, you, singular. Ninna, your, that is also singular. Neevu, you, it is a plural or that polite word. Neevu. Nimma, yours. E, avanu, he. Avana, his. Okay. Avalu, avaru. Then hesaru means name. Magu means child. Yaru means who. Maga means son. Snehitaru, friends. Yenu, what. Tande, father. Tangi, sister. Avara, their, his, her. Okay. Here some small exercise is there. Just I'll read the question. Anyone can answer, or you can type a message also. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the translation of English word given in the bracket. Answer is there. Just you have to try to translate in English, in Kannada, and you have to give the answer. Okay. Dash yaru. In English, we can fill you. Dash yaru. What we call you in Kannada? You. Can anyone tell? Dash yaru. Anyone can message in chat box also. Yes, sir. Someone has message. Yes, Sherin Thomas. Yes, Neevu Yaru. Yes, that is also correct answer. Or Neenu Yaru. That is also correct answer. Neevu or Neenu. Rohan sir also message. That is the correct. Neenu Yaru or Neevu Yaru. Okay. Next. Dash Sheila. She. What word has to come? Dash Sheila. The English answer is she. What we called in Kannada for she? Yes, sir. Rohan sir message. Avalu Sheila. Good. Avalu Sheila. Okay. Ivaru dash tande. R. What we which word will use for R? Ivaru dash tande. He is our father. Okay. Namma. Yes, correct, sir. Namma. Others also can respond. Okay. Yes. Dash hesaru Muruti. Okay. Dash hesaru Murti. My. What the word for my? Nanna. Yes, Shriji sir. Nanna hesaru Murti. Yes, good. Nimma hesaru dash. What? Nimma hesaru what? What's the answer for that? What? What? What we called in Kannada for what? Yes, correct. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Rohan sir has message. ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Lakshmi madam also responded. So ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? Okay. Next question is dash Shankar. He. He is Shankar. Translate this word sentence. Yes. Avanu Shankar. Correct. Rohan sir. Next is dash doctor. Dash doctor. I. I. I means me. Okay. I. What we call I in Kannada? Nanu doctor. Correct. Not na sir. That is a Nanu. Yes, Lakshmi Madam also responded. Nanu doctor. Okay. Nanu doctor. Neevu dash. Who? Neevu dash. Neevu dash. Yes, correct. Neevu yaru. Okay. Neevu yaru means who are you? Okay. Next sentence is the fill in the blanks. Ivaru nanna dash. Friend. In Kannada, what we call for friend? Ivaru nanna friend. Snehita. Very good, sir. Very good, madam. Ivaru nanna snehita. They are my friends. Okay. Next is nanna dash Mona. Name. Nanna dash Mona. Name. What we call for name? Nanna dash Mona. Yes, madam. Correct. Hesaru. Okay. Hesaru. Hesaru means name. Okay. Hesaru, name. Nanna hesaru Mona. Next is Ivaru Nanna dash. Ivaru Nanna dash. Teacher. I told that word. Okay. Teacher. In this conversation only that word came. Ivaru Nanna, yes, yes, Rohan sir. Maestru or Maestru, that is also correct. Shikshaka also correct. Ivaru Nanna Shikshaka also we can say. Ivaru Nanna Guru, Gurugalu, that is also we can say. Okay. Saroja Avana dash, younger sister. What we call for younger sister? Saroja Nanna Tangi. Yes, she is Tangi. Tangi means younger sister. Avaru Namma dash, father. What we call father? Father. Tande. Yes, sir. Tande. Tande means father. Okay. Here are some transform the following according to the model. The one model is there. Just I will read that model, and next I will read the question. Try to make the sentence like that. Okay. Nanu Mohana. Okay. Nanu Mohana. That means I am Mohan. For that, Nanna hesaru Mohan. Okay. The question. First one is the answer. Nanu Mohan. I am a Mohan. Next is my name is Mohan. Okay, like that you have to make a sentence. Nanu Sheila. Can anyone tell for this answer? Nanu Sheila. The answer has to come. My name is Sheila. Okay. What for that? Nanu Sheila. Yeah. Just to make a sentence in Kannada. For example, Nanna hesaru Mohan. Like that, you have to make Nanna hesaru Sheila. Okay? Nanna hesaru Sheila. Okay? Yes. Uh, no, this is okay. See the model. Nanu Mohan. I am Mohan. Next, the answer is Nanna hesaru Mohan. My name is Mohan. Like that, Nanu Sheila. I am Sheila. My name is Sheila. Okay, like that. Avaru Raju. Avaru Raju. He is Raju. Then for this answer again has to come the model. His name is Raju. Okay, his name is Raju. In Kannada, Avara hesaru Raju. Okay, Avara hesaru Raju. Next is Avanu Ramesha. Okay. He is Ramesha. Okay. The answer is for that. His name is Ramesha. Okay. His name is Ramesha. Avalu Manju. She is Manju. Her name is Manju. Okay. Like this. Next one is a question. Okay. Ivaru Raju. He is Raju. The answer, we have to make a model like this. Ivaru Rajuna. Is it he Raju? Okay. Ivaru Rajuna. Okay. Is it he Raju? Like that, we have to make a other sentences. Ivaru Nimma Snehitara. Okay. Ivaru Nimma Snehitaru. Okay. They are your friends. For that, we have to make a question. Ivaru Nimma Snehitara? Question mark. Okay. Is they are your friends? Next is Avala hesaru Sheila. Okay. Avala hesaru Sheila. Means her name is Sheila. So for this, Avala hesaru Sheilana. Okay. Avala hesaru Sheilana. Next, Shankar avara maga. Shankar avara maga. Shankar is their son. Okay. For that question, we have to make a model like this. Shankar avara magana. Okay. Magana. Shankar avara magana. Manju avana tangi. Manju avana tangi. Manju avana tangina. Okay. Like this, we have to make a sentence. Okay. Means the asking a question. First is there, he is Raju. Next is he Raju? Like that. Okay. Okay, here some questions are there. Okay, just I will ask, try to answer. Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾರು? Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾರು means answer the question in Kannada. ನೀವು ಯಾರು? First you translate in English. ನೀವು ಯಾರು means who are you? Okay, who are you? Who are you means ನೀವು ಯಾರು? Okay, for this ನೀವು ಯಾರು? Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾರು means you can say I am a employee, ನಾನು ಉದ್ಯಮಿ, or else ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ನಾನು you can say anything, ನಾನು ಪಾದಚಾರಿ, ನಾನು ಆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹುಡುಗ. Okay, like that you anything you can say. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ಎಸ್, ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್. ಎಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು? ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಮೇಕ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್? ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಜೇಶ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ರೋಹನ್. ಎಸ್. ಯಾ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾರು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್. For this answer, you can say Namma teacher so and so. Okay, you can say that also. Next is Mohan Meshtra. Okay, Neevu doctor. Okay, is you doctor? Someone is you doctor? Haudu, Nanu doctor. Okay, Haudu, Nanu doctor. Okay, the next is Mohan Meshtra. Okay, Mohan Meshtra means is him. Mohan is a master or a teacher. Yes, Mohan Mesh. Yes, Mohan Meshro. Okay, like this we can answer it. Okay, so I hope this is understood. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಯಾವುದು? Which is your book? ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ನ್ಯೂ ಬುಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಯಾವುದು? ಹೊಸ, ಹೊಸ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೊಸ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ. ಹಳೆ, ಹಳೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್. ಕೆಟ್ಟ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಯಾವುದು? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೇಮ, ನನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ದೊಡ್ಡ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೇಮ ನನ್ನ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಪ್ರೇಮ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ನ್ಯೂ ಬುಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬುಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ, ತುಂಬಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶೇಖರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶೇಖರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್? ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ, ಆರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆನಾ? ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ದಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಹೌಸ್? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮನೆ. ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಇವರ ಮನೆ ಯಾವುದು? ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್? ಅದು ಇವರ ಮನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಬಿಗ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ. Here we can see vocabulary also. ಒಳ್ಳೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ means good. ಕೆಟ್ಟ, bad. ಹೊಸ, new. ಹಳೆ, old. ದೊಡ್ಡ, big. ಚಿಕ್ಕ, small. ತುಂಬಾ, much. ಇದು, this. ಇದರ, its. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, friends. ಕಥೆ, ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಮನೆ, ಹೌಸ್. ಪುಸ್ತಕ, ಬುಕ್. ನಾಟಕ, ಪ್ಲೇ. ಅಣ್ಣ, ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಯಾವುದು, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್. ಬಂಗ್ಲೋ, ಬಂಗಲೆ, ಬಂಗ್ಲೋ. Okay. Now, here exercise part is there. Just for an example is there. Using that, we can make a other sentence also. ನಾನು, ನನ್ನ. Okay. ನನ್ನ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮನೆ. Okay. For example, the word is nanna. Nanna means my. Idu nanna mane. Okay. Idu nanna mane means this is my home. Like that, you have to make a sentence of these words. Okay. Nanu. Can anyone make a sentence using the word of nanu? Nanu. Nanu. Can anyone make a sentence? Nanu. Nanu. Yes, sir. Nanu banker. I am a banker. Nanu teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. Okay. Next is avalu. Okay, avalu. Avalu means she. Make a sentence. Avalu. Yes, Shriji sir. Avalu nanna tangi. She is my sister. Avalu nanna snehite. Yes, madam. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಲ್, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ಫಾರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್. ಅವಳು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು. ಅದು. ಅದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ದಟ್. Just I told no. Adu means that. Imagine a sentence in English. Try to translate in Kannada. Or imagine your mother tongue. Yes, sir. Adu nanna mane. Yes, madam. Adu nanna mane. That is my home. Okay. Adu nanna mane. Next. Ivaru. 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 Ivaru means they. Make a sentence. Ivaru. Ivaru. Just for example, Lakshmi madam only message that avalu nanna snehite. Like that, ivaru nanna snehitaru. Ivaru nanna snehitaru. Or ivaru nanna tande. Ivaru nanna tayi. Okay. Next is navu. Navu means we. Navu means we. Navu. Navu. Can anyone make sentence using the word of navu? Navu. Okay. Navu. Okay. Navu manushyaru. Navu manushyaru means we are human beings. Navu manushyaru. Or else, ನಾವು ನಾವು ಹುಡುಗರು, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಹುಡುಗರು, ನಾವು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು. Okay, like that we can make a sentence. For next one is ಇವಳು, she. ಇವಳು, she. What word we can make using the word of ಇವಳು? ಇವಳು, ಇವಳು. Okay. ಇವಳು, ಇವಳು means she. Okay, ಇವಳು ಯಾರು? ಇವಳು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇವಳು ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಶಿ? ಇವಳು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀವು. ನೀವು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು. ನೀವು, ನೀವು ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ನೀವು ಯಾರು? ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೀನು. ನೀನು, ನೀನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ನೀನು, ನೀನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಯು? ಓಕೆ, ನೀನು ಯಾರು? ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಶತ್ರು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಎನಿಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಶತ್ರು. ಶತ್ರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನಿಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, that also we can make. Next is sha. Okay, this is exercise part 1. Okay, just I will read this one. ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಓಕೆ, here they have given the model. ಶಾಲಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. Okay, this is a correct sentence. Here they have just they have arranged. We have to arrange properly this one. Next, ಅವರ, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. Okay, so for this we have to make ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಶಾಲಿನಿ. Okay, ಶಾಲಿನಿ is a book name. Okay, for that ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಶಾಲಿನಿ. We can make a sentence like this also. Next is ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಟಕ. Okay, ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಟಕ. ಜೀವನ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಟಕ. Okay, ಜೀವನ means that is a name. ಜೀವನ ಅವರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಟಕ. ಜೀವನ ಅವರ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ನಾಟಕ. Okay, ಕೆಟ್ಟ means bad. Okay, next one is ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. Here the 4 words are there. We have to mix and we have to make a sentence. For example, ಇವರು ನನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. For that, ಅವರ, ಓಕೆ, ರಾಮು ಅವರ ಹಳೆ ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ we have to arrange it. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಯಾವುದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಯಾವುದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಾಟಕ ಯಾವುದು? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ, then again we have to remove ನಿಮ್ಮ. We can ಅವರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಾಟಕ ಯಾವುದು? That also we can make. Okay, next is, okay, this is all. I'll share it to you in a what that quiz. Okay, these questions are everything I'll share in a quiz. So that link I will share you in a WhatsApp group. Okay, answer the following as per the model. ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ? Okay, the question is this book is a good book? ಹೌದು, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. Yes, this is a good book. Then next one is ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. No, that is a bad book. Okay. Like this, you have to make the one question is there and you have to make two answer for that. Okay. Valle and ketta, dodda and chikka. Like that you have to make. Jivana ketta natakana. Okay. The drama name is Jivana. Jivana ketta natakana. ಹೌದು ಜೀವನ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ನಾಟಕ ಅಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಟಕ. Okay, like this we have to make a sentence. ಅವರ ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ. ಅವರು he or they ಒಳ್ಳೆ good ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ. is he good doctor? Yes, he is a good doctor. ಹೌದು ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನೋ, he is a bad doctor. Okay. Next one is ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಮನೇನಾ. Is this a new house? ಹೌದು ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌದು ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹಳೆ ಮನೆ. ನೋ, is a old house. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಗಲೆನಾ. is a big bungalow. Yes, this is a big bungalow. ಹೌದು ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಗಲೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಗಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಂಗಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. Okay, so this is a conversation and some quizzes we have seen. So if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, you can ask here. You have any doubt, you can ask me, because I have did, this much of chapters, some small conversation also we have completed, and we did some exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask, or else if you want to ask any uh, thing about Kannada, you can ask me. I'll try to answer for that questions. Nothing is there. Okay. No questions, no doubt. This book I will share you in group. Okay. That will be very helpful to you. Practice one. Okay. I will share it also in a group. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me.